Hello, guys. This is Martin Musagara from Goma in the Democratic Republic of Congo. It's quite a pleasure for me to be here to meet you guys and discuss of one of our F14 proposals. This time around, the Goma Hub came up with four proposals and focusing on education, community engagement, and inclusion. Here I'm going to talk of our education program. Guys, yes, you know, education is the foundation for any real change. If we want to change things, guys, we need to be looking into how we are educating and what are we doing for educating the masses, for educating our local communities. So the problem is that most of people in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, students, entrepreneurs, business owners, are not aware of the blockchain technology. People here are almost thinking that blockchain is this kind of platform that come up with Ponzi schemes trying to steal money from people. That's what they think blockchain is. So there is a big work to do in terms of education to get the people understanding what is the real blockchain and how they can access it and how they can use it to bring solutions to their local, to their particular problems. So our solution and what we have already been doing since the year 2022, we are educating people, we are educating students, we are educating entrepreneurs. Since the year 2022, the Goma Hub is almost doing these education sessions, trying to onboard people to the Web3, to Cardano, helping them participate in project catalysts, in all the stuffs around the ecosystem. So what is our approach? As you know, guys, Africa has a massive number of populations, and all of them are mostly young people. And the numbers say that by the year 2050, Africa will have its population double, and half of it will be under 25 years. So there is this unique opportunity to empower these young people with skills they need to thrive in the digital economy. Now to talk of the unemployment, which on which blockchain can be a solution and opportunity for them to get jobs, to work on things that may inspire or may passion what they are doing. And DRC is the seventh world's largest, youngest population in the world. So this program targets the Democratic Republic of Congo. We want to empower these young people to be the future architects of the blockchain technology. So we'll be providing them with the essential skills. They will be trained on blockchain fundamentals. What is blockchain? What is it used for? Where did it come from? The Cardano blockchain, we discuss everything about Cardano, its governance, its infrastructure, smart contracts, and all those stuffs. But we also look into decentralization, okay, DeFi, and all those things, wallets, how they can send funds from here to there, and how all those things are working. We won't let out project catalysts and introducing them on how they can write proposals, how they can take part as community reviewers, and take part all those roles into project catalysts. So we are designing for accessibility and inclusivity. Okay, what is the structure we take? We have monthly batches. So here we want to maximize participation and accommodate busy schedules. We propose 12 monthly batches with at least 20 participants for each month. We have encountered uh, many conflicts with schedules. Most of our learners are students. They have to go for their courses at the university, and they need to accommodate for our program. So we found that taking this 12-month plan will help them to accommodate their busy schedules and find a place into our program. So there is also this dedicated learning schedule. Each month will follow a consistent structure with week 1 and week 2 dedicated to registration. The week 3 will be dedicated to in-depth training sessions in person from 12 to 2 p.m. And after the program, the last week of the month, we will conduct surveys to make sure we gather feedback and continuously improve the program. As I said, we implemented monthly batches to make sure we are more accessible, we are reaching more people despite of their busy schedules. Why is important for Cardano ecosystem? There is no growth in the ecosystem without education. There is no real decentralization without education. There is no real governance. There is no real governance inclusion if people are not educated, if the mass is not coming to take part into the governance or to take part into that ecosystem. It's important to educate people. We want to expand the Cardano presence in Central Africa. We want to make sure Cardano is pioneering what blockchain can do in our local communities. And we want to prepare new from DREPs, voters, and proposers. We want informed people to participate into the ecosystem. And to finish, we want to build a diverse and globally representative community, making sure nobody is left behind. So this education initiative is not starting by this proposal in Fund 14. We have mostly been doing this since the year 2022, and each batch is an amazing experience. We get people from all the backgrounds, students, business owners, entrepreneurs coming to learn how blockchain can change their lives, how blockchain can bring solutions to problems that we are having in our local communities. And we have up to now, we are above 1,000 people that have been part of this program, and we still count to continue doing this. And that's why we are seeking here the community support to help us keep doing this work we are doing on the ground and achieve this adoption for the Cardano blockchain. So our expertise, the Goma Hub is active since the year 2020. We are a key player in the Cardano ecosystem, and let me say it like that. We have been involved in various activities, including education. We have been producing educational content, workshops, within NSEC workshops, whether Catalyst workshops. We've been active around all those things. We're also active in community buildings. We have hosted meetups from Catalyst, from NSEC. We have hosted and co-hosted community-led events for the Cardano Summit and the working groups, whether for NSEC or for Catalyst, we've been doing such kind of things. And our technical contribution as such is we're running a stake pool to support centralization. We have a developer team, and we are working on projects like Equival that are helping money transfer, crypto, transforming or sending crypto from fiat, sharing money, peer-to-peer stuff like that. And yeah, we are active in Project Catalyst since Fund 8, and we have been active in the Cardano governance since its inception, starting from the CIP 1694 up to the Cardano Constitutional Convention in Nairobi. We have been there, we have represented our local communities and make sure our voice was heard. And actually, we're running the Goma DREP. So for this proposal, we are not seeking, we're just seeking for 47,300 ADA to keep doing what we are doing within this education program and bring the mass to the Cardano blockchain. So thank you for listening. I'm around here. If you have any questions, I will be eager to answer them. Thank you.